Hello everyone, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to top 5 Taiwan's MRT station with unique public art. Taipei MRT is something essential for people living in Taipei. And besides the unique public art in some stations, each line has its own music to play when the train approaches the platform. Now let's start with Station 1, Beito. Come on. Number 5, Beto Station of the Beito branch. There are many different kinds of theme trains all around the world, and what makes Taipei MRT unique is that it combines the local scene. Beito produces sulfur due to its location near the mountains and has developed the hot spring culture since Japanese colonial period. The train in Beito features the unique hot spring culture, impressing visitors and travelers. Now the theme train is here, let's go check it out. The first carriage is about history. Carriage 1399 is about the past of Beito. You can find 2 monitors inside the train playing the cultural history, and the red and orange tone inside the train gives a nostalgia feeling. The next carriage is 2399, which is the well-known hot spring train. Look, both the seats and the walls are all wooden colored, and it also combined the hot spring top elements. Inside the train, there's a monitor showing hot spring and local food in Beito. This makes me want to take MRT to a hot spring resort. Last carriage, 3399, is called Me and the Thermal Valley, which represent the natural environment of Beito. Inside the carriage, there is full-width design of the beauty of Beito, informing visitors Beito's uniqueness. Inside the train, there's a monitor featuring the environment of Beito, for example, the waterfall or the hot spring. Different from the bustling city life, Beito shows you the nature beauty of Taipei. Coming to Beito, not only can you enjoy the hot spring, but a really cool MRT experience. Now let's go explore more public art. Now we're at number 4, Nangang Station. Number 4, Nangang Station. Jimmy is a well-known international illustrator from Taiwan. His drawings have a gentle, refreshing art style, and he turns his paintings into a poetic language, which creates a spiritual and calming reading experience. Now we can see the walls on both sides, which are the combination of Jimmy's picture books, Sound of Colors, and The Moon Forgets, with the commuters on the transportation that makes us feel like we're part of the paintings. These paintings make the tiring and boring MRT ride more enjoyable. When coming to Nangang Station, you must come to the stairs at exit 2. Here, you can find the main character of Turn Left, Turn Right, the little boy in monster costumes in The Moon Forgets, and also the bunny from Secrets in the Woods. And there are more characters for you to find out. Walking in Nangang Station is like walking in the world of fairy tales and similar as Alice falling into Wonderland. Come see if you can find your favorite character and which story do you like the most. What do you think is the message that Jimmy's trying to deliver through these chairs? From what I see, all these chairs are in different colors and style, which give a welcoming feelings that it's for everybody, just like the MRT station. And this is also why people love Jimmy's works, because he always has some hidden message behind it. So the next time when you're here, slow down your pace, have a look at these chairs, see what are the messages that you got from him. Number 3. World Trade Center Station. Oh, it's a face of a child. I couldn't tell when I was standing so close. I've only seen the split flap displayed at the train station's timetable, and I've never thought it could display this way. This artwork called The Moment We Meet. While this one features the face, other artworks features other body parts such as the eyes, nose, mouth, hands, and feet. Let's go find out. Walking through the 100-meter long hallway, the artwork from one side represent the future of human body, while the artwork from the other side represent the future of spirit and race. And this artwork, The Moment We Met, has won the Art Creation Award and the Best Internet Popularity Award. Public art is normally built into two sides of the hallway, but in this MRT station, they have it inside the wall and also on the ceiling. The concept, in a way, is trying to deliver walking through a person's life. And there are a total of 12 artworks in this MRT station. Number 2. Songshan Station. Wow, it's such a spectacular art, and I believe there's no way that people wouldn't stop and admire this art for a few seconds. The name of this public art is called Winding River, Flourishing Flowers, Dome of Light. The name comes from the geography of Songshan, which all the beauty are brought together by the river. The public art connects Taipei MRT and Taiwan Railway, forming the corridor, so there is space for the light sculpture. The light effect varies in timing and different holidays. There are 50,250 LED lights with stainless steel to form this light sculpture. The light sculpture shows that Songshan is an area that's full with fascinating historical origin and characteristics. I'm really into this kind of public art that combines with public transportation. Not only does it add the fun in our life, but also let people from bustling city to be able to pause for a second and relax. This light sculpture was completed when Songshan Station was built in 2014. It is a good spot for commuters to sink in the artistic atmosphere. Number 1. Genten Station. Ta-da! Number 1. Genten Station. Genten Station was reviewed as one of the top 10 coolest train stations worldwide by the American website Thrillist. With the dragon boat design combining modern minimalism, this unique design can be easily recognized. And it is the most eye-catching station in Taipei City. No matter during the daytime or nighttime, pedestrians and drivers can immediately tell that they're in Shili when they see the dragon boat design. Because of its prosperity, as well as the popular night market right beside the train station, it makes Genten a hot MRT spot among tourists and the locals. Here around Genten Station, people who want to go hiking in Yangmingshan would come here to take buses. You can also go bowling or visit the Taipei Performing Arts Center for all kinds of exhibitions and performances. During the nighttime, you can visit the popular Shilling Night Market for all kinds of delicious local food, from ji pie to stinky tofu. Do you know that besides the dragon boat design, there used to be a Shezi bridge crossing the east and the west of the Keelung River? It later got demolished due to the land development. When Genten Station was designed in 1977, the drawbridge style was one of the references. The design of the station combines history and a new era, where you can see the traditional dragon boat, while the station itself does not contain beams nor columns. And this is why the station won the Architecture Prize. Taipei MRT is one of the most convenient public transportation for people living here and tourists. A lot of tourists are surprised at how convenient and clean Taipei MRT is. So the next time you come here, don't forget to slow down your step and enjoy all these beautiful public art.